our President of Goa, Girish Shodankarji, and myself, and Sunil Kautankar, our General Secretary, we have come to the Chief Electoral Officer and we have filed a complaint to the Chief Electoral Officer under the RP, the Representation of People's Act, Section 126. A gross violation has taken place in Goa to derail the election process and not to allow free and fair elections. There is an attempt, a conspiracy that has been hatched by Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party to see that the Indian National Congress is defamed, and with malified intention, using fake, doctored, edited, morphed videos, a news channel called Hindi Khabar has broadcast after the silence period starts in an election 48 hours before, that is at 6 p.m. today. All campaigning ends. Nobody should go to the media. Nobody should influence the elections. But this conspiracy, a conspiracy has been hatched by Aam Aadmi Party and Bharatiya Janata Party to defame three people: Mr. Sankalp Amonkar, Mr. Savio De Silva, Mr. Abertano Furtado.
Whatever has been leveled against their candidate. How are you looking into this issue?
Like there is a clear direction under Section 126 of the Representation of People Act 1951. We have instructed District Election Officer North to initiate proper legal action.
On that?
Yes.
They were trying to take press conferences and all. They were not permitted, it seems, so not allowed or something because of that this is over. Timing.
See, issue is that like right now it is a silence period.
Correct.
The law is applicable for everyone.
Yeah.
So there is no question of giving anyone permission or anything, which is nothing permitted in law.
Yeah.
126 RP Act is very clear, and this is what on the basis of complaint some action has been initiated.
No, but elections are voting is another one within a day time now, sir. So how sooner this report or whatever action would be taken? Any this like it should be done soon as possible?
Yes, already the matter has been escalated to Election Commission, and this one, the video from the YouTube, it will be taken down hopefully. There is a clear code of conduct by the social media platforms. Initiated to, there is a standard operating procedure for such kind of matters. So we have already sent it to Media Division. That already District Election Officer North has been instructed to initiate action against this. It's this thing. There is a clear 126 RP Act. I would request all of you to go through it.
Yeah.
So we have initiated action under that particular section.